Next, we will take the hairs like this and then join them in the between one by one. So take small section of the hairs in the lining ways like this, join it in the back, put them together, and then at the end we will put a hair clip and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide them from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs together, pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit, follow the same process for the other part as well, pull out the hairs. Now fix them together, tie it like this into each other and put it on the top, tie it using a rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie them together and then rotate it from the between. Now fix it over the bun part in the shown way like this and spread the hairs on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. We will tie the hairs on the back like this. Use a rubber band to fix it. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now we will divide the hairs into two parts and fix them all together on the right side. Now on the right side we will roll the hairs or make the plaits by dividing the hairs like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can also fold it upward and make a bun and fix it in the same manner and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the top like this, tie it using a rubber band. Now again take small section of the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and fix it using a rubber band. Now after that, fix the hairs into each other like this, put a hair clip and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie all the hairs together and make a high ponytail like this. Tie it using a rubber band. After tying the hairs, fix it in the halfway like this. Now put the hairs inside as shown in the video, fix it properly and make a bun. Tie it by using the hair band like this. Put the hairs or you can just flip it over and spread the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie all the hairs together using a rubber band like this. Fix all the hairs, tie it and then fix it in the between. Now make a space in the hairs and put the hairs inside like this. So here we will again tie the hairs over it like this. Put the hair clip and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this on the back. Fix it using a rubber band. After tying it, you can rotate it if you want. Now fix the hairs into each other and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this. Tie half of the hairs, put a rubber band. After tying it, put the hair clutch and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.